Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your warehouse on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your warehouse, maybe move locations, or maybe you just want to go ahead and get your stuff delivered to from a different warehouse. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on the top light blue banner where it says your zip code. And then once you click on this, you can click on Change Warehouse. So enter your city, state, or zip code, and then select the correct warehouse, which you want to go ahead and set as your warehouse. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your warehouse on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.